tutorial here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add GIFs to your Shopify product page. So to do this is pretty simple. So here we have our done the first thing you'll ever do in Shopify. So here, when you go to your home page, you want to do. So let's just do here. So let's say you're in your own Shopify product page already. So here, you will have to do your custom liquid. So what is custom liquid? You will have a liquid code that can be placed here. So here, we're in Giphy and we want to add our GIF. So basically, so let's just restart this. This is the GIF that I want to place. So all we have to do is press embed and then copy the code. So here, you want to just go to your store and paste it. From there, it's going to be in your store. It's just that simple. Then you will see a cute cat in my store. And as you can see, you have a liquid code, you have a custom liquid code that is working in your store already. So basically, that is how you add GIFs to your Shopify product page. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and of course, don't forget to subscribe.